Do you live here in the city of Amsterdam or elsewhere?
I live in Amsterdam.
Yeah.
We're going to the Canary Islands. Right? Yeah. There you go. One moment.
Punt voor P is voor de afwissels. Je kan het ook nog automatisch zetten, maar dat is dan snelle behandeling.
Just wait and share into one of the doctors is available, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, there you go.
That's your sample along with your passport. You can wait for free to one of my colleagues in the back for the test or wait at the chair for them to become available.
I wait here.
Yeah, behind these people.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Hi. I am nervous. I can pee myself. I don't like stuff going in my nose because I easily gag. So here goes. Oh my god, I'm gonna be worse than this kid.
Just a few seconds, it will be open.
Oh my god.
Okay, well first I go with this in the throat and then the nose.
I take off now?
Yeah.
Mouth?
Yeah. Now the nose.
The same one goes in my nose. Okay. Oh, wait. Yes, please. Okay. Can I hold?
Okay, calm down.
Oh!
Okay.
We're not done. Oh!
Try to keep the head still.
Huh?
Try to keep the head still.
Which one? Both of them.
One. Okay.
Sorry. Ah! Ah!
Yeah, that's it. Are you okay? And was it that bad or?
It's always pain. I can see that. Sorry, I was recording for my YouTube.
Oh.
So now
You can put your bag into the machine.
Okay. Here it goes.
Yes. Okay, then you can scan your ticket at the left top glass.
I can show my
Yes.
the one I've pegged. And you did say I mustn't peg it. Alright, coming up. Boarding pass, the barcode, right?
Yes. Would you only be so kind to just have a look if everything on the screen is correct? The flight number, the
Okay, we
name,
do that
etc.?
again. Woo! Exactly 23 kilos.
20.3. It's 20
What?
kilograms.
What
It's
do you
not
mean?
23, it's 20.
My bag is 20.
Yes.
So I'm missing 3 kilos I left behind. Okay, thank you.
Then you can continue on the screen if everything is correct.
Where is the continue? Yes, right?
Okay, yes. And it will ask you if the bag has been pre-tagged. It is. So just have a look on the screen itself.
Yes.
Yes. And then
So this is goodbye until South Africa.
Well, you need to confirm anything, otherwise the bag won't go anywhere. That's your small receipt. That's the receipt that you checked in your bag.
So I keep
And then
this.
the whole process has been finished. The bag has come through.
What's this?
It's finished?
Oh, so I'm done.
Yes.
So goodbye, Dirk. Until we meet again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ghetto Nubianess. I'm a psychological wardrobe organizer. On this channel, we're going to be talking about mental well-being. And basically, it will be a mix-up of everything, like one big pot. In my language, we call it Mvenge and Ngabangloza. Or others know it as Imfishi. That's what we're about. And on this journey with me, I'm not going to be doing therapies, but I will be doing just talks about everyday life, and everyone is welcome on it. Please join me, and if you've got any questions, please leave them down below on the comment section so I can answer them. So please do remember to subscribe, follow me, and I'm also there on Facebook, and I'm also there on Instagram. Oh, before I forget, do not expect glitter or celebrity looks, but it's all about what's in it, the content, baby. So come along with the Ghetto Nubianess and be one of my Ghetto Nubias. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my favorite part.
To ensure that your safety remains top priority, please take note of this important